So we're back in Italy, and now we're here for the whole summer, which is both daunting and fun. Today we are working on the garden, and we're going to go to the garden center. We're going to fix the small flower pot, which is going to be bordered by hedge, and that's going to protect us in the garden here from the views. And then we're going to find some hopefully fun plants to plant in front that won't be so heavy on us when it comes to maintenance and watering. It's almost like a desert here in the summers, so we need something really dry resistant, but obviously we want something beautiful too. And then there's a lower flower bed that we want to have a couple of smaller trees and some greenery. And of course the urns that we got yesterday, which was a great find. We're very excited about that. And so we're going to buy a wine plant. I hope the vine is going to grow and provide some shade for the kitchen from the afternoon sun, and a little pretty way to pick some lovely grapes in the late summer for the table. And in one of them we're going to have some decorative plants and have some ideas about how to do something pretty on the wall. Maybe write a little poem or have some kind of art in that focal point. I think that's going to be really beautiful. And then we have that urn there where we're going to use as a parasol stand and also a little table for the little sun deck. That's going to be a little fun project. We picked that up on Instagram. A lot of people have done beautiful versions of that, and we're going to try to do something similar. And then we found some really well-priced urns that we're going to put some herbs in, because yes, we do love cooking, and some fun summer cocktails too. So definitely some mint's got to go in there. Come with us to the garden center and let's have a look.
Però questo è bello. A te piacciono le foglie grandi?
No, meno, quelle piccole.
Quella è bella. Come non è male lui, però questo pure non è molto veloce ed è molto bello. Questa diventa rossa dopo un certo punto.
Sì, l'ho visto. Come albero c'è anche, no?
Ti cresce alto. No, l'albero è un'altra cosa.
No, ok.
Quello un po'.
Jag tänkte att det är så här. Gräva.